really spent the time to set my studio just the way I like it. So today, I want to see if I can make it look better. First, let's take a before photo. So I'm fixing the wall because I had a bunch of pictures hanging on here and they left a lot of holes. But the picture caused a lot of reflection when I film. But this wall looks kind of bare, so instead I think I'm going to put a few shelves here and here so I can use it to display some stuff. I have two small windows on this wall, and I used to film like this, which looks too symmetrical. For the shelf, I initially considered this one from IKEA, but the color doesn't match my table. Then I stumbled upon this beautiful piece of live edge maple from Home Depot. Ooh, this looks so good, and I have something really cool I can put on here. Let me go find it. This is exactly why I need to do something about these drawers. They're nice and flat and they're really good for paper, but I also put a lot of other crap in there as well. I can't remember what's where, so I created those post-it note labels and writing them down. But I'm not very diligent to keep them updated, and they look really ugly. So I think I should just take everything out and see if I can do some better job. Ooh, here it is. I am so impressed with how well it reproduces the real thing. I don't like how the drawers are stacked. It makes the space look cramped. And 10 drawers in a row is just too confusing. So I'm unstacking them to be side by side. So this is the next day. Last night I moved the drawers from over there to here against the window so that I can create an L shape with the table. And I moved the table out so I have more space to move around here. Before I decide what goes into these drawers, I need to see what other stuff I have. I probably went overboard with drawers. I really like to have everything concealed for the minimalism look, but it doesn't seem to work out for an art studio. When I get a spark of creativity or I want to try some new tools, if it's not readily available, or I don't even remember if I have that thing, I just probably gonna miss out on that idea. So I probably should look for some open storage for the art supplies. So no more drawers. Let's take a break and browse IKEA. I know they have quite a few options for carts. This one looks clean and simple. It has the minimalism look that I like, but for art supply storage, I think the size might be too shallow. The trays can be removed on this one. It seems to be a good feature, but the stainless steel doesn't quite fit the space here. This one looks a little bit too clumsy, although it's all wood. A cactus coaster. I think this is their new items, like a storage easel. It's pretty nice. So you can do it this way or this way. And you can store the paper inside. Oh, they're like pretty small. All right, just got back from IKEA, and while we're at it, I got another bag of stuff. So let me put them together and then set it up. I ended up getting the same card as a lot of other artists. Now I can see why it's so popular. The deeper trays let me stack more stuff in there, and it's very easy to keep things organized. Also, this card is nice and small, which makes it easier for me to move around and keep stuff close to me. It works so perfectly in my small space. Would you pick this card too? I still prefer the look of natural light over RGB, but because of my work, I have to film in the evening most of the time. So here I'm adding some lighting to create a more natural look. These bulbs can change color temperature to be warmer or cooler. They're really convenient. These shelves really inspire me to fill them with some interesting stuff. Actually, they make the wall into a canvas for me to paint on. And it's so flexible. I'm happy with what I have for now, but I'm sure I'll be constantly changing them up as I discover more cool stuff. It feels so spacious now all the clutter is gone. I hope I can keep it this way. I'm so excited it's finally done. I'm very happy with how it looks now, but I might need to do some small tweaks here and there as I start using it. I can't wait to create something new and share with you guys in this new space. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Oops, I forgot to fix this.